I would. It's crunch time.
Yeah, yeah, College Park in the house. Alright, slick, we got Bun B. Yeah, Yin Yang Twins. Check it out, College Park. Drop them beats that'll rock your world. That's right. Got Bun B and Yin Yang in this thing, so
Get it, girl.
come on. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, 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 get it. Show them all what you're working with.
So clean, so clean.
Get him off that. We ain't smoking that.
Ooh, tell me when to go. 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 Tell me when to go.
Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone.
She said some days I feel like shit, some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. All of these moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know